Hi, this is Dexter Bolastig and welcome to my vlog. A few weeks from now, it is Christmas time, and the best way for us to enjoy this Christmas season is having a fireplace while enjoying the Christmas tunes. In this vlog, I will teach you how to set up a Christmas theme for your smart devices. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell button to give you updates on my future vlogs. So, let's get started. Okay, all we need are Google Chromecast, Google Home or Mini, an updated Google Home app, and optional if you have a smart bulb for additional ambient fitting. Here, I will assume that your phone had already installed the Google Home app and that your Google Home and your Chromecast already set up. So, let's start. First, open the app. There's the app. Then go to Profiles, then Settings, Profiles, Settings. On your Settings tab, go to Assistant, then click Routines. So there's the Assistant tab, then Routines. Okay, for those who are new to Routines, Routines is a feature where a user can issue multiple commands or actions with just one command. So just click the routines. In the routines, I assume that you didn't created a Christmas theme yet, so for my part I already did. Just click in your part, just click the plus icon there to create a new routine. For my part, I already did create my own. So I will now just show you how I did it. Where? Okay, here it is. There's my routine, Christmas mode. So in my Christmas routine, the first thing you do is first in Christmas mode, in your when, create a phrase for you to start the command. For my part, I just create I have to say Christmas mode. So every time I call Google, say Google, hey Google. So all you need to do is say the word, say the phrase. For my part, it's Christmas mode. Then in your My Assistant should, what I did was just set the light brightness to 1%, then place Fireplace and YouTube to Chrome. Then tell me how many days before Christmas. Then that's it. After you created your own theme, just save the routine. Then close the app, then test it. I will show you my own Christmas routine. So here it goes. Hey Google, Christmas mode.
Okay, setting my living room light brightness to 1%. Christmas Day will be in 16 days.
So that's how we do it. May I know how will you use your smart devices to set up your Christmas theme? Just put it in the comments below. If you like the video, please do click the like button, and please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell button to give you the updates on my future vlogs. So, this is Dexter Bulastig. Enjoy the Christmas season. Merry Christmas to everyone.